skies, run through the fires for you. I'd put your love on my life. There's nothing I wouldn't do. I don't feel the same when I'm not with you. Love the risk, but what is this coming to? Oh, your love is dangerous. You make it dangerous. This is dangerous love.
Bullet husband.
Bullet husband.
Oo, siya, alam ko na future ko ah.
Oy.
Okay na. So yeah, thank you.
Miguel, you know I never run out of words to say, but today I do. O, inuna ko na yun ah. When you and I first dated, postgraduate intern ka pa lang nun. My only wish then was to spend 24 hours with you. After you passed your boards, I hope for more than a day. When you finished your residency, I pray I'd get to spend a week or two with you. 10 years later today, and finally, I'll get to spend a lifetime with you.
Bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagpaparito upang makaisang dibdib si Miguel na iyong pagkamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Kala ko hindi sasagot. Kinakabahan ako. Love is not a feeling, it's an action word. It is a decision that you make every day.
Diba sa akin, bibigay mo yung...
Naiiwan niya. Love. Pwedeng walang makakaalam. Ayun, walang stress ay
Just say no to marry me.
Sabi na eh. No. Lumot ka palit.
Let the light in, look to the sky. No better feeling than a colorful life.
Bebe, sa isang dekada natin pagsasama, alam naman natin sa isa't isa na di natin hawak ang oras. Kaya kung mapapansin mo, lagi kong binibigay sa'yo ay orasan.
Our time, we your skin. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Feel the magic. Breathe it all in. Can you feel it? Can you
Sa
feel
tuwing titingin ka ng oras, maisip mo na kung meron man akong oras na kayang ibigay, bibigay ko lang sa'yo. Mahal na mahal kita, Bebe.
our time? We rise, light up the sky, light it up, and come alive. Our time to fly, light up the sky, light it up, and come alive. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Bebe, minsan it's patience. Baka nga it's a conscious choice. But most certainly, it's love. Last night, ang sinabi ko lang sa'yo, goodbye, Bebe. Tonight, good night, Bebe. Happy anniversary. I love you.
Alive.